I wanted to do a little update on my wiring project here. And I had a little setback. I had to put a rack and pinion in it. It was leaking some hydraulic fluid, and when they start leaking, you got to get a new one. So I put a real good one in there. Napa, it's the right one. Okay, here's so I'm back on the wiring tomorrow all day. So anyway, see how nice and thin that is. This runs all my back lights, turn signals, and then in here you see how I've lengthened these wiring harnesses. I had to undo everything because I had some major problems with my dash too. Thought I was going to have to go with the Dakota Digital. It's got GPS and all that in it. It's about $700, so I may have to do that in the future. Who knows? But right now, let's do a cold start. Let's see. I want to turn the lights on. Show you the dash. Okay, I got the tack working. I had problems with that. Had it working perfectly, and then something happened. But it's back. Okay, all the wiring is hidden. Well, you probably won't be able to see anything, but it's under there. The light's looking real good. I'm going to have to go back with my other, this is for your temperature gauge, right there. I'm going to have to go back with the one I had in there. Kind of a mess in here. I was working out there in the yard all day, filled in Lucky's holes. Got it looking a lot better, but I'm going to have to go back with this. It's not a big deal. It's more accurate. The regular gauge worked good, but I messed it up. Okay, without further ado, or no, I'm still going to show you some more wiring here. Oh, it got me a nice little bright light. I got this for $2. I mean, I know at Lowe's. I saw it on the discount aisle. But anyway, okay, see how long my wires are here for my ECU. I can put it anywhere I want it. But what I'm going to do, it's got a magnet on it too there. I'm going to cut some of this wire out. See, it's nice and neat looking, but it's too long. It fills up this cavity right here where the ECU goes, and I don't want that. So I'm going to trim all that up. Wires like this are looking real good. See how long that is? Okay, that's the ECU relay. Oh no, that's the fuel pump relay. Should be under the driver's seat, but I pulled it over here. Okay, see how this is looking pretty cool. Right there, comes through that. A lot of my wires come through this grommet here. I don't know if you can see it. There's my. See that green thing there? That's the gas pedal. Throttle there. Gas. Okay. This right here is for my fans. See how long it is? I still need to tape it up, and I'll put it right there where I had it before. Let's see, that's for the heater box. Still, I'm not worrying about that right now. And look how long this is. This is for my emergency flashers. I'll turn them on. I have one of them working. That right arrow is out. But it works outside, but can't get it working, and I'm not worried about it. Another reason I might go to Dakota Digital gauges is the best for this car. Actually it's $755, but they are the best. Okay, now it's time to start it up. That's the bottom line, how it runs. And as far as running, you be the judge. Make sure it's in neutral, brakes on. My 89 is now a parts car. I don't feel like putting it back together. I've robbed a few parts out of it. So there it sits. Starting to idle down a little bit.